Look at these plants. These kind of traps, cylindrical traps, have a little hole here, and the insects are attracted by some fragrances and then fall. It's full of viscous material and hairy, so they get trapped into that. Then the trap closes and they get digested, and then it's connected to the leaf, as you can see here. So that's feeding the plant. Alright, that's an interesting species. And we are in a very sandy area. Low vegetation, a bit like Cerrado in Brazil. And this is an interesting plant.